Thank you. Jenny Eyer, Children at Risk, testifying for the bill. Would you stack up your witnesses, Bernal? Huh? People love this piece of legislation, is that what you're saying? Yeah? All right. I do like it. I got no problem with it.
Thank you, Chairman Huberty and members, for the opportunity to speak with you today. My name is Jenny Eyer. I'm the Senior Policy Analyst and Manager of the Center for Child Health Research and Policy at Children at Risk. We are a nonprofit organization dedicated to improving the lives of children through public policy and advocacy. Children at Risk supports HB 367 by Representative Bernal. We believe that this bill creates clear statewide guidelines to help schools reduce both food waste and administrative burden on school nutrition directors, as well as have a positive impact on students. For nearly 4 years, I've traveled across the state working to increase access to school meals for low-income students. Throughout this time, I've had the pleasure of meeting several of the very most innovative school nutrition directors that our state has to offer. Their innovation has led to breakfast being delivered to the classroom, food trucks serving meals during lunch service, and after-school meals for students who would not otherwise eat until breakfast the next day. These directors find unique methods of meal service, all while following strict federal and state guidelines. This local creativity is the impetus behind HB 367. Currently, the United States Department of Agriculture requires all contracting entities, including nutrition departments, to prepare enough food for all students who might participate in a school meal on a daily basis. Knowing that it can be difficult to forecast this number as participation can change depending on students' appetites, the USDA allows participating entities to repurpose food that is not eaten during a school meal service. For instance, if a child takes a package of sliced apples along with their lunch entree but is finished with their meal before opening this package, the food could be given away to another student. In many districts, this is referred to as a share table. Children who do not finish their food or decide they no longer want a packaged item can put this item on the table to share with other children who might still be hungry. Currently, in certain areas, local health authorities have intervened to shut down the share table. Rather than share uneaten food with their hungry classmates, students at these school districts must throw away any unopened items. For example, what Representative Bernal just mentioned, if that student had been at a district in another location, they might have had access to more food that was put on a share table. HB 367 would create continuity across the state in regards to repurposing food and would give a tool to nutrition departments who are constantly looking for ways to decrease food waste. Thank you, and I'm happy to answer any questions.
All right, Jenny. Yes, Representative Bernal.
Just to clarify on share tables.
Sure.
Outside of the K through 5 context, most share tables don't extend beyond the mealtime. Is that right?
Yes.
Right.
In my experience. Mm-hmm.
So after school, between classes, the share table doesn't exist. It's only during the duration of the lunch period. All right. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Great. Thank you. Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you.
Thanks.